Hello everyone. This next video on electric uke playing is about Sharp Dressed Man by ZZ Top. This song is how I came to make these videos. Last year I posted myself playing it and someone asked me to show what I did. ZZ Top solos have two typical traits. One is long sustain and the other is playing two strings at a time. I'm not so good at that yet, but I've tried it here, and you can too. We have a slight problem in that the bottom F note of the riff is not playable on a uke, and so I'm playing it as a chord. I'm doing a simplified version of the solo, and it won't be acceptable for the purists. But as I've said before, I think building confidence and having fun is more important, and it's a good base towards getting it right when you improve your technique. Tune up, beards are optional, and let's play. For the main riff I'm doing this. I'm playing two strings at one time. Then probably this would sound better as chords or thickened somehow, but do the best you can. For the verse, this is what I'm doing. And you can move into the riff again from there, or we can do what we're going to do now, which is to move into the solo. You could just play the single note if you feel that sounds better. But I'm trying to be a bit jazzier here, and as I slide up, I'm playing two strings at a time. I do that about 5 times or so. Next I'm doing this. Yes, I know the original recording is doing more than this, but this is what I'm doing. I think the funnest part of the solo is sliding up here and playing two strings at a time on the upper strings. And you can begin here or here, doesn't really matter. Let's do that again. After that, that bend is quite a long one. Then we do the same slide that we began the solo with, but we only do it twice. Then we do another string bend and a walk down to the last section of the solo. This next part could be done playing the individual notes, or you could do it as hammer-ons if you like. I don't do that because I find there's a temptation to bend the string too much and push it out of pitch, but you can try it. Next, I'm again not quite doing what Billy Gibbons is doing on the recording. I'm just alternating these two notes. Then we go back to this section of 3/5 again. That's it. Back to the main riff. Let's hear what the whole thing sounds like with the original recording.
Crazy about a sharp dressed man. No watch, diamond ring. I ain't missing nothing. man.